Alright, so another question no from Lee DG no. Saan po mapapanood ang complete discussion nito no? It is about my discussion no about siguro CVP analysis ba 'yon or some of my topics no in MAS no. By the way, no, you can watch my video no in YouTube channel no, in my YouTube channel. So just search Master Accounting no, MAS, Master no. Hindi po ako yung master no. So yung master ay kayo no. So you need to master accounting. Kaya Master Accounting because I am a reviewer in MAS no. Parang Master Accounting no. So you can watch video or videos about management advisory service no. I have videos about cost accounting. I have videos about strategic cost management. I have also videos about management services, syempre. Financial management, no? I have also videos about some of the topics no in the CPA review, specifically in MAS, no? And ano pa ba? And financial market also, no? So you can watch my video there and subscribe, no? Please subscribe to my channel so that I can be able to help also others, particularly no in the cluster of MS no, management service, and also sa cost accounting no. So yeah, I also like teaching no about your cost accounting. So again, Lady G's no, complete discussion no, please watch my YouTube channel no. Again, Master Accounting. So again, thank you very much and see you all. Bye-bye.